We made it. If you're following along on Snap, IG, or TikTok, I just want to say I really appreciate your love and support. It goes a very long way. Everyone reaching out, messaging me. I can't say thank you enough. It means a lot. But we're here. This is the house. The other night, I was so tired, had to use the bathroom so bad, and just wanted to crash that I got here, hopped out of the car, ran inside, and unpacked just a little bit, and just went to bed. It's been a rough few days, honestly, with the sleep, but I love it here, guys. I absolutely love it here. This is just me talking to you guys about why I'm here, what I'm doing here, what I will be doing, and why I decided to come here, out of all places. Let's get into it. Camera's definitely sitting on Connor's Range Rover right now. Sorry, Bob. My main focus is going to be YouTube, this long form content. I want to say that the most fun I have ever had doing something was when I recorded those 3 vlogs. Those of you who watched those videos, thank you. I recorded 3 or 4 vlogs over last summer, and that just brought me the most fun. Like, sorry, not brought me the most fun, but I had the most fun doing that, and I genuinely fell in love with it. So, with the job I had, I was in car sales, and that really limited the amount of time I had to put into this hobby and to try to be able to make it something that is going to be able to earn me income, to be completely honest with you guys. And it's not going to be easy to do it, but I just have to stick to it. I have to stay disciplined with it. That's the bottom line. And I'm so excited to be bringing you guys more videos. I'm going to try to get 3 videos out per week on YouTube. It's Sunday today. I posted the last video on Friday, I think I posted that video, or yesterday, Saturday, and this video should be out no later than Tuesday. I'm really excited. That's really it, you know, and I'm gonna be focusing on content. I'm gonna be doing a lot of TikTok. If you guys can go over to my Snapchat, I'm on Snapchat all the time. I post everything throughout my day on Snapchat, and that's just like daily updates. I love Snapchat because it's so personal. You guys can directly message me there, and I'm decent at responding on there. I'm not so good at opening messages at all anyway, but Snapchat is where you will be able to find me the most active 100% of the time. And I'm just so excited for what Florida is going to bring. I moved here specifically because of the environment, that the people here are very focused on improving all the time, and I felt like I was in a place where I was being held back, and I was kind of stagnant in what I was doing, and I was like becoming comfortable with my job, and I didn't like that because I didn't love my job. I do like selling stuff. I like selling cars specifically, and I like talking to people every day, but I don't love it. And when I was doing, again, those vlogs, when I was doing these vlogs back in the summer, I fell in love. So I decided I'm going to do something for me that's going to make me happy, and with the long-term goal of achieving my dreams of being that support for my family and my people in my circle. That is my end goal, to be able to provide for everyone that I care about so much and give back to the people that have given to me my whole life. Because that's the least I could do. That is the least I could do. I'm going to be around people who are entrepreneurs and just business guys, and I'm in a really good position to learn a lot of new things, and I'm excited for you guys to see what this is going to bring for us. Because when I eat, my folks eat, my people eat. So, stay tuned. I'm going to give you guys a little house tour. Chris and Connor are here right now. The room is a mess, don't mind that, but let's get it. Look! Hey, get inside. Lux. Come here. Get inside.
Who the hell is that?
It's me.
Did you go out the garage?
Yeah.
I mean, it's cool looking, but
Put it up right there.
that's what I'm gonna do. But I gotta fucking find a goddamn stud. This bitch is 100 pounds.
I'm the stud.
Did anybody get a reaction from that? Cause
I'm just gonna move out.
You're off your rocker, bro.
so yeah, Chris, back on the side.
All right.
Yeah, wait, you have the stud finder, don't you?
Yeah, but I don't have.
This is the living room.
But that's hollow. There's no stud right there.
Anyway, Chris is fucking couch loafing for the last week.
We know there's not a stud.
Bum!
We know there's not a stud on that wall.
Kitchen, boys. This kitchen's huge. I've seen pictures and videos of it, but it's nothing like what I expected, honestly. The ceilings are way higher. Everything's bigger. I seen this on video, and Connor sent me videos as they were painting and stuff, getting moved in. And it looked really nice. But when I walked in, I was like, this shit's huge. I'm sure you guys can hear all that banging. Connor's doing stuff. Hey, boy. Yeah, buddy. Smoker. Connor, the chef, is going to be on that. Well, we'll probably stay away from that, but little backyard area. We got the cold plunge. That's going to get set up soon. But this fence was not here before. Connor got the okay from the HOA, and the guys decided to put the fence up, which is really nice. What are you doing? Caleb's going to be in here. He's on a cruise right now. I don't even know where he's going. Where's Caleb going? Where'd Caleb go?
Oh, that was a crazy ass cruise.
He's like a rich millionaire, so he like bought the cruise ship and just like took off. I don't know what that was about. And the grand mess. This shit is all fucked up. But Connor got this up in the closet. So I put the shoes down there. Those hangers, obviously. My shirts are all gonna get up in there. Got the TV hung, the important shit, you know, quickly. The coolest thing is that the lights and the fan operate on a remote. Boom! And you can change that. The brightness, the fan speed, straight from this shit. That shit's dope as fuck. I ain't never seen that in my life. To my broke ass. But we got a nice little view out. If I can get these open. Nice little view. Right outside, front door. Don't want to leave that open late at night. Get spied on and whatnot. Gotta put these mirrors up. I'm thinking a mirror's gonna go there. But not sure yet. Gotta get the room all cleaned up first before I do that. The next time you guys see this on fucking, what? This is going up tomorrow, so the next time you guys see this will be probably Thursday, and we should be all put together by then, no questions. But we're gonna be hitting the gym later, get some footage with fucking Chris, because he's so happy about wanting to go to the gym and lift. Ain't that right, Chris? You're so excited to go work out.
Yeah, after watching
Bro's gonna take a nap first. Lux! Lux, come say bye. Come say bye, Lux. Say have a good day, guys. You heard him. He said it. Always got the freaky lights on.
I like it. It's good for my eyes.
You getting freaky, bro.
Oh, I'm not.
Connor's got the master bedroom, of course. Mr. Lonely. King size bed for no one.
It's my house. Walk in what?
Master bathroom.
Alright. It's brown, bro. I'm so mad.
It's the color of the toilet, bro.
I'm actually so fucking mad that I painted it brown. I look at I ask myself every day, why did you do that?
Yeah, no, we talked on the phone and you said that to me and I was definitely questioning it.
Dude, I thought it was gonna look good.
I definitely questioned it.
It's just like,
What do you guys think? Should we leave it brown?
No.
I swear, I was saying this earlier, the other day. This part looks green. This looks brown. And this looks red. Gang. Whoever painted this house, this bathroom.
Marissa.
Love you, Marissa, but
Actually, no, we both did, but
both of y'all
it's just the color. Yeah.
do better. Show you guys the fucking laundry room. Nice new washer dryer. We're getting all shelves put up here. Lovely dude, Nick, the ginger. You guys will meet him soon. Nick is putting up nice shelves here. It's gonna be pretty. It's gonna be pretty. He just finished painting the white wall. Well, this gotta be get painted one more time. But the black and the white walls, the other two look good. And obviously the garage right now is full of stuff. Connor just moved in. I'm moving in, and Brandon's stuff is a lot of Brandon's stuff is here, and just a bunch of stuff in the way. So once that gets moved out, it'll all be different. And then the cold plunge may get set up in here actually, rather than out back. Oh, I gotta take the wood out my car because the bed in the room, Nick, the ginger set those up, and missed a couple planks for like up where you lay your head on that side of the bed. So we gotta put these there as support. These 2x4s, we'll get them in there, and we'll have the bed all sturdied up because I don't like feeling like I'm falling. I'm like doing a fucking back bend into the headboard. That does not feel good. That does not feel good. Ow. I pinched my finger. Tough driveway though, chat? Do we have a tough driveway? The Range, the SQ5, he doesn't live here, but the A4, that's Chris's whip. Dude, one of the neighbors down there, you see that red Porsche? That dude has a McLaren, that Porsche, I don't know what that is, I think that's the Taycan or something. And he has the McLaren in the garage, as well as, I think, a Corvette, which is insane. His little driveway looks crazy, bro, and it's insane. Oh, and we already got an HOA warning because we left the trash out. We left the trash out for like 2 days in a row, and leaving the trash out for 2 days in a row is against the HOA rules. So we got a warning in an email. We just got to make sure we keep that shit all tightened up so we don't get kicked out of the neighborhood. Forced to sell and shit, you know? Don't want to get kicked out. Alright. That's done. If anyone's looking for turbo, let me know. Those all go to Volkswagens. They fit to Audis and stuff too. To the 4-cylinder engines. I'll give you guys a little long story short. I'm not really good at saying stuff like this, sharing stories like this. But that's part of the journey. I felt like I was stagnant and I was too comfortable in where I was, and I don't like that because I know that feeling that way means that I was not growing as much as I would want to be, and being out of your comfort zone is going to make or break you, and I'm the type of person that has to learn by diving into stuff head on. So I decided to jump ship. I quit my job, my steady job, to chase my dreams, pursue my dreams of becoming a content creator, having a platform, and using it to spread a positive message. And I'm here to help you guys. I want you guys to feel comfortable here and be able to talk about stuff with me. I explained in my previous video that someone had reached out to me about their relationship issues because they felt like one of my videos I made touched on a subject that was important in their relationship, and I want you guys to have that level of comfort with me where you can talk to me about that stuff and I can give you guys the advice that you need to hear rather than the advice that you want to hear, because being around your friends and trying to get that advice most of the time, they're going to tell you stuff that you want to hear. But we're off topic a little bit here anyway, but you guys get that. So while I'm down here, my main focus is content. I will be pushing 2 to 3 YouTube videos per week. I'm on Snapchat every day. If you guys want to find my Snapchat, I'm pretty sure it's in my YouTube link, but if not, my username is Chubbers, Chubers. I post everything on there, what I eat in the day, what I do in the gym, like everything I'm doing throughout the day is on my Snapchat, and you guys can feel free to interact with me. Another thing I'm going to be doing here is streaming. Once I get this room situated, I got to figure out where I'm going to set up my PlayStation, and I want to get back into video game streaming because I had a passion for video games once, and the reason the passion died out was because my time became so consumed by my job and by obviously the gym, but I'm going to be in the gym every day regardless. I love the gym. You guys will be seeing videos of me in the gym. But I moved here because of another reasons, the support that's already here. Shout out to my good friends Marissa and Ryan from back home. They live here. They live in Tampa, about 20 minutes from the house. And I came down here in December to visit, and I fell in love with the place. I fell in love with the people. Everyone around here is always trying to improve, and I'm not saying that people back home weren't trying to improve, but the people around here, you see the drive and you see the strength within themselves to push harder every day and become that better person. And I need to be around an environment like that because to achieve what I'm trying to, I need to compete, I guess. You know what I mean? You're always competing with yourself, but having those people around, seeing the things that these people are achieving makes you want to reach for the stars and achieve those things. And I feel like where I was at, I wasn't surrounded by that. And I love everyone back home, but everyone lives their life their own way, and I'm not putting it down, but I just don't want to be stagnant, and I don't want to be comfortable with my job, my 9 to 5 that pays me whatever it pays me. I like to have freedom. So I'm excited for you guys to tag along for this journey. And everyone that's here, I love you guys so much. If you guys can like, subscribe, check out my socials, Instagram, Snap, it would be really appreciated. And love you guys. This whole process is scary for me. I moved across the country. I basically threw out the old life I had and the support system I had with my family and my friends back home to just pick up and start fresh. And it's scary, honestly, because it's all unknown. We don't know what's going to happen, but I do know that if I stick to the plan and I stay disciplined, walk with God, stay strong in my faith, everything's going to turn out just fine. Everything's going to turn out just fine. Chris is damn near dying over there. Maybe that's Connor. And it's a learning process because I've never lived on my own. I've lived with my parents up until now, and I just decided to up and leave. But it is scary. I'm nervous. And my goal is to just keep it as real as I can with you guys. And obviously myself and God. But you guys will see how this journey goes. And I don't doubt myself for a second. I don't doubt God for a second. God wouldn't put this image in my brain of this life that I'm trying to live for no reason. And he wouldn't put these goals in my mind for no reason. You know, obviously the dreams that I have, the things that I see for myself and my family in the future are there for a reason, and I'm gonna chase that as hard as I possibly can.